What is Helm? Helm is a package manager for deploying and managing complex Kubernetes applications. Helm was introduced in 2015 by Days Labs during a KubeCon event. 3 years later, Helm joined Cloud Native Computing Foundation as incubating project, and after 2 years, in 2020, it was graduated. Helm Charts are simply Kubernetes manifests joined into a single package which can be easily installed inside your cluster. Charts are structured in the following way. Charts.yaml contains description of the chart, and charts directory may contain subcharts which are your application dependencies. Templates directory contains your Kubernetes manifests which will be run through the template engine and will be filled with default values stored inside values.yaml. To get started with Helm, first you need a Kubernetes cluster, and second, of course, you require Helm to be installed. If you have those, you can use Helm search hub MySQL command to find all charts that are publicly available. Now add a repository to your local Helm client by issuing following command: Helm repo add name of your repo and URL. Now you can search your local repositories using Helm search repo MySQL. To install a chart, execute following command: Helm install name of your project and chart to be used. Next, to show all charts that are currently inside your system, use this command: Helm list. And to see a status of some chart that you have deployed, use Helm status and name of the chart. To verify that MySQL has been started inside our Kubernetes cluster, let's use Kubernetes get pods, and as you can see, pod is currently pending with the name that we have specified during installation. Also, by using Kubernetes get services command, you can see what services has this chart created. And this is the bare minimum you need to know to start working with Helm. If you would like to see a full tutorial on this, or you have any thoughts that you want to share, let me know in the comments down below. Now, thank you for watching, click a like button and consider subscribing. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!